A woman over 60 was hiding her feet because of deep, painful cracks. She spent a fortune on expensive creams, but nothing worked. Then, a retired doctor shared 3 forgotten recipes with her, and the results were shocking. She shared those exact recipes with me, so you, or someone you love, can finally find relief. Let's start with paste number 3, the Oatmeal-Honey Exfoliating Paste. Now pay attention to how we make this, because the preparation actually matters for how well it works. First, we need to grind a 1/4 cup of rolled oats into a fine powder. This is important. Whole oats won't absorb into the skin properly. Here's something fascinating. Colloidal oatmeal was approved by the FDA as a skin protectant back in 2003. Clinical studies showed it reduced skin problems by 51% in just 14 days. That's not marketing, that's real science. Transfer the powder to a mixing bowl. Now add a 1/4 cup of raw honey. This is the magic ingredient. One tablespoon of olive oil goes in next. This helps the paste spread smoothly and adds extra moisture. And 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. The natural acids in lemon help remove dead skin cells gently. Mix everything until you get a thick paste that holds together without dripping. Now here's where most people go wrong with this paste. They apply it to dry feet. Always soak your feet in warm water for 10 minutes first. This softens the dead skin so the oatmeal can actually work. Massage this into your heels for about 5 minutes. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Use this 2 to 3 times per week. While I'm setting up the next paste, drop a comment and tell me which one you're most excited to try. I read every single one, and I love hearing from you. Now, if oatmeal isn't your thing, or you want something more intensive, this next paste might be exactly what you're looking for. Paste number 2, the Banana-Avocado Intensive Foot Mask. This one is all about deep hydration. Dr. Joshua Zeichner from Mount Sinai Hospital specifically recommends avocado for dry, cracked skin. It's packed with vitamins A, D, E, and omega fatty acids that repair damaged skin. We start with 1 ripe banana. And I mean really ripe. See these brown spots? That's what you want. Unripe bananas actually contain acids that can dry your skin out more. Mash it until there are absolutely no lumps. The smoother, the better. Now half an avocado goes in. Make sure it's ripe too. You want it soft and creamy. Scoop out the flesh and add it to your bowl. Mash everything together until it's completely smooth and creamy. One tablespoon of raw honey for healing. And 1 tablespoon of coconut oil for extra moisture. A randomized clinical trial found coconut oil led to a 68% decrease in eczema severity. That's powerful stuff. Look at that beautiful creamy texture. Here's the secret to making this work. After you apply it, wrap your feet in plastic wrap, then put on cotton socks. The warmth helps the ingredients penetrate deeper. Leave it on for 30 minutes, or even better, sleep with it overnight. If this is helping you so far, tap that like button. It really helps more people find these natural remedies. Now, if you want the most powerful healing paste, the one backed by 17 randomized clinical trials, don't go anywhere. But first, let me tell you something important. Of course, if you have diabetes or any circulation problems, please check with your podiatrist before trying any of these. Cracked heels in diabetics can lead to serious infections, and I want you to be safe. Now, paste number 1, this is honestly why I made this video. Paste number 1, the Honey Coconut Turmeric Healing Paste. This is the most researched natural remedy for skin healing that exists. We start with 2 tablespoons of raw honey. Now here's something incredible. Honey has been studied in 17 randomized controlled trials involving nearly 2,000 patients. Researchers found that honey increased collagen production by 107 to 117% in tissue studies. It also fights bacteria, including drug-resistant strains. This isn't folk medicine. This is now used in hospitals across America, Europe, and Australia. 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil. Cold-pressed is best. A clinical study found coconut oil improved skin hydration as effectively as mineral oil, but with added antibacterial benefits. Mix these 2 together first. Now, this is the step that makes this paste special. 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Watch this color. That golden color isn't just beautiful, it's medicine. Turmeric has powerful anti-inflammatory properties that help cracked skin heal faster. Now, I have to warn you about something. Turmeric can temporarily stain your skin yellow. It fades within a few hours, but use an old towel when you apply this. If you're new here, subscribe and tap the bell. I share research-backed remedies like this every week, specifically for women over 55.